Hello friends, how you doing? And in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset factory data or erase, wipe or delete all data from your Samsung Galaxy A52s. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So to reset factory data or erase, wipe or delete all data from your Samsung Galaxy A52s, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings icon. So first just tap on settings icon and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.